Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out on which time and date a software or program is being used in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So suppose I want to check on which time and date I have used a particular software or program. Say you can see here on my taskbar Google Chrome, right? So I want to check when was this software is being used and what is on which date it's being used. So let me right click on it and you can see a Google Chrome, right? Just right click again on here and you can see a properties. Just click on it. So now you can see Chrome properties. Now you can see here general. Just click on this tab. Now under the general you can see one option written here, accessed. That means when it is being used. So you can see here it is being used in the 3rd March, that is today, and you can see here the time, that is the 6:32, and it was this much of second, right? So finally you can see here it was accessed or used or open on the 3rd March at 6:36 p.m. So let us try other programs. Say I want to check about this Microsoft Edge, when it is being used and on which date. Just right click again and just right click here again and click on this properties, go to the general tab, and now you can see here it is being used on the 3rd March on 6:32 p.m. So let us check about one document file I have here on my desktop. So let us right click on it too and let us go to its properties. Now you can see here it is being accessed, you can see here on 3rd March 6:34 p.m. So using this option you can easily find out on which time and date a software or program is being used in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool tricks, then definitely you should give it a try. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.